The post-war era witnessed the emergence of what are arguably the most iconic Aston Martins, the DB series. These cars not only represented a new beginning for the brand, but also set a new standard in the automotive world. The DB series became synonymous with elegance, performance, and innovation, capturing the imagination of car enthusiasts around the globe. Named after David Brown, the industrialist who took ownership of Aston Martin in 1947, these cars would come to define the brand's image for generations to come. Brown's vision and leadership were instrumental in transforming Aston Martin from a niche manufacturer into a globally recognized symbol of luxury and performance. His influence is still felt in the brand's ethos today. The DB4, with its stunning Italian-inspired design and potent engine, set the template for future models. Its sleek lines and powerful performance made it an instant classic, and it quickly became a favorite among car aficionados. The DB4 was more than just a car. It was a statement of style and engineering prowess. It was followed by the iconic DB5, forever immortalized as James Bond's car of choice in Goldfinger, cementing Aston Martin's status as a symbol of sophistication and adventure. The DB5's appearance in the film not only boosted its popularity, but also solidified its place in popular culture. Today, the DB5 is one of the most recognizable and beloved cars in the world. The DB lineage continued to evolve, each iteration a testament to Aston Martin's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive design and performance. From the DB6 to the DB9, each model brought new innovations and refinements, ensuring that the DB series remained at the forefront of the luxury sports car market. The evolution of the DB series is a story of continuous improvement and relentless pursuit of perfection. The DB7, launched in 1994, marked a return to the brand's classic design language, blending traditional elegance with modern technology. It was a car that appealed to both purists and new customers, bridging the gap between Aston Martin's storied past and its promising future. The DB7's success paved the way for the next generation of DB models, while the modern DB11 and DBS Superleggera represent the pinnacle of Aston Martin's current offerings. These cars embody the perfect balance of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. The DB11, with its refined aesthetics and powerful engine, and the DBS Superleggera, with its aggressive stance and track-ready capabilities, showcase the brand's ability to innovate while staying true to its heritage. Beyond the DB series, Aston Martin has produced a range of exceptional cars, each with its unique character. From the elegant Rapide to the futuristic Valkyrie, Aston Martin's lineup is a testament to the brand's versatility and commitment to excellence. Each model is designed to offer a unique driving experience, catering to a diverse range of tastes and preferences. The V8 Vantage, with its muscular stance and thunderous engine note, embodies the raw power of the brand. It's a car that delivers exhilarating performance and unmatched driving pleasure. The V8 Vantage is a true driver's car, designed for those who crave the thrill of the open road. Meanwhile, the DBX, Aston Martin's first foray into the SUV market, showcases the brand's ability to adapt to evolving customer demands without compromising its core values. The DBX combines the luxury and performance that Aston Martin is known for with the practicality and versatility of an SUV. It's a vehicle that opens up new possibilities for the brand, appealing to a broader audience and setting new standards in the luxury SUV segment.